Hello everyone. So today I'll be code on Infix to Postfix conversion, a very important C code, and I'll be using here my Git bash for doing Vim. Let's say Vim file.c, and for inserting I'll be using I. Now let's code. At first I will do include std.age, then include stdlib dot age. So before starting, uh, let give you a comment that I'll be doing infix. Let might be giving another line break. So infix to postfix conversion. Okay, so after that include st. I have a string, maybe so string dot age, maybe like that, and I'll have a struct. So let's get a stack and make two things, that int data and int top of the stack. Oops, top, that's basically top of the stack. Oops. And then basically the character of, maybe let's give a name add, maybe like that. uh, so after that I'll be checking the maybe the overflow condition. So for that int, let's create a stack of having stack top, and struct I'll be doing what, let's say stack, what I'll be giving the name, let's say sp. Okay, and I'll be return to sp of, let's say array sp of top, like that maybe. Yes. Okay, so basically what I am doing, let's go to my xcali draw. Just a minute, control a, delete. So let's say this is my stack. If the stack is overflow, I'll be do what, I'll be literally how to check. Let's say I have one pointer that is pointing basically that stack. If the sp will point to the top, basically to the top, that time I'll be returning to stack overflow. I think that is clear. So the thing is very simple, that I'll be iterating simultaneously with a single pointer, and if the pointer value will be equal to the top of the stack, then I'll be returning the thing, and I'll be make the functions ladder of the stack type. And that is very simple. Okay, this will be the value of my stack top. Okay, I mean the top, you can see. So int, let's say is empty, mm, maybe struct stack of, let's say what will ptr maybe. So this will be checking the underflow conditions. So if, what are the base case, the pointer is basically of pointer of top, I mean the top, if it is -1, I'll be doing what, I'll be return to 1 maybe. Otherwise I'll be returned to 0. What the thing, let's explain. Let's say when there is no element in the stack, that time the top value is initialized at -1. Okay, when there is no element, I mean there is no element in the stack is empty, that time I'll be initialize top equal to -1. And after inserting one element, let's say a, the value of the top will be -1 plus 1, that will be 0. I mean zeroth index. Okay, basically if there will be no element and still I want to pop one element from the stack, that gonna be underflow condition. So I'll be checking this thing here. I think that is clear for everyone, maybe. Okay, good. So let's check is, sorry, end is full. Let's check the overflow condition. So struct stack of maybe a pointer, It will basically do what? It will basically check one thing. Let's go to my skeleton again. So let's just a minute. Where is eraser? So let's delete. I mean, erase this thing. It is. Okay. Let's say if I will, let's say B, let's say C, let's say D. I mean the stack is full. So how I will be checking the thing? So that time my top value will be equal to size minus 1. So let's say for this condition, this specific condition, the size is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The size is what? The size is 6. So but the top is on 5. So top value is equal to size minus 1. I think that is clear for everyone and that's gonna be cleared. And still if I want to insert that time, that will be stack overflow. So overflow conditions, I think that is clear for everyone. So I'll be doing what? I'll be checking if pointer of top, maybe like that, is equals to, let's say, pointer of size minus 1. I think I have cleared this thing very good, and I'll be return to 1. Otherwise I'll be doing what? I'll be return to 0, and that is very clear. Oops, just a minute. Okay, I think that is clear. Let's complete the function. Now what is the condition of push? Let's delete. So let's basically create another stack. So when let's say this is empty and I want to push one element, I will literally do, I'll be at first I'll be checking the underflow condition. For push point to be noted, I will be make the pop function here. Okay, so I'll be checking the push condition. So at first I'll be checking the underflow condition. If there is no element, if there so basically if there is sorry, I just forget one thing. So for push operation I'll be check overflow. Just I have uttered another thing. So push operation I'll be checking the overflow conditions. Now if the stack is not overflow conditions, or rather not full condition, that time we'll literally push anything in the stack. Now let's say I'll be pushing B in the stack. So initializing of the thing is the top value is, I have said you before, top value is -1. After inserting one element, so first insertion, the value of the top is incrementing by 1. I think that is clear because the index is 0. So the top value is -1 plus 1 and literally is 0. I think that is very clear. Okay. Now, and that is going simultaneously after B. When I inserting C, that will 1, that will D, that will 2, like this. I think that is clear for everyone. Now let's make a function. So basically I'll be iterating this everything by some character. So let's make a cat, maybe push. So it will do what? It will literally have a structure of stack. Let's giving a name, pointer, and character value. And I why I'm needing two things, because for popping I literally do pop the last inserting thing. But for pushing I'll have two things. One is the basically the index, I mean the index, and not the index point to be noted. I we want to store the index for easy point of view, but I literally don't need the PTR value. I literally need the PTR value for checking the validations. Let's say overflow, underflow, everything I'll be needing for that. But I literally have one value. That value I want to insert, the value I want to pop, sorry, push. So I'll have character value and struct PTR maybe. And I will be doing what? I'll be check if it is full. If it is full, it has a pointer attribute. I have said it before that for validations I am needing the pointer. I will do what? I literally printf and maybe stack overflow. Maybe you can type that cannot push percentile of D into the stack. I don't like to write big thing, but still, yeah, no issue. And maybe the value. Okay, because I have validated before, and I'll be returned to -1 maybe. Else I have said it before that I'm incrementing simultaneously, so ptr value will be top plus plus. Okay, good. So ptr will be basically what array of ptr of top, maybe like that, equal to value. I think that is clear. I'll be incrementing the value by 1. So good. Now for popping, so basically I have said before that I need only the the stack of ptr. Good. And if it is empty, is oops, if it is empty, having one attribute ptr, if it is empty, do what? Literally do printf stack underflow. Okay, maybe one line break. Okay, good. And return to -1. That is very clear for everyone, I think. No else, otherwise I'll do what? I literally, let's understand this thing. So if there is, I want to pop a element, so let's change the color. If I want to pop D, I will literally decrement the value of top by 1. This time that was incrementing by 1, this time that gonna be decrementing by 1. That is very simple. So else value will be what? Maybe character of value equal to ptr array of ptr uh, top, maybe like that. And ptr will be very simple, top minus minus. Okay, minus minus, the thing is doing like that. Okay, very simple. And I will be return to my value. Oops, like that. Maybe yes, value. Good. Now I need another function, that is I have said it before, that is precedence. Had I said it before? So let's create one. So I had maybe open. So what is precedence basically? So here, no need to write every functions. I have no time. If you have a time, you can write literally. So I literally write the 6 and 5. So the 5 and 6 number. So here you can see that I have, I literally don't need the ampersand also. Multiplication and division and addition and subtractions. So this is the order of precedence. So multiplication and division has higher precedence than plus and minus, and so on and so forth. And what is the associativity rule? If let's say you have, the thing is very simple. I think you have already know how to convert infix to postfix. If you didn't know, then literally study, because if I literally make everything in this video, that's gonna be very long. So basically the thing is, if that is multiplication and you want to insert not multiplication, let's say you have plus and you want to push multiplication, so that time the multiplication have a higher precedence than this guy, so this will pop and this will push. That is very simple. If you didn't know, literally search it. Okay, so int precedence, precedence, character of ch, it will do if ch equals to maybe asterisk. Otherwise, if ch equal to division, I will return to 3 maybe. Okay, you wouldn't return to 3. Okay, else if I mean if I have ch equal to plus or ch equal to maybe minus, I'll return to 2. You can see that I am setting the number, so 3 has higher precedence and 2 is lower precedence. That is very simple. Cool. Otherwise, just a minute. Otherwise, return to 0. Good, good, good. Another thing that I need, maybe that is int operator that have a character of ch. This brute will check the associative rule that I have said before, that left to right and right to left. So if let's say ch, what was the associative rule? Let's this guy also all are left to right, so no need to validate simultaneously. So okay, plus or ch maybe equal to minus, or let's say ch equal to multiplication, or let's say ch equal to division, maybe like that. I'll be return to 1. I mean higher precedence. Whew. Otherwise I literally return to 0 and say bro bye bye. Now let's convert infix to postfix. Okay, so let's go to another let's say not sorry. So basically I have, so how thing is going on, so let's take one example, a plus b minus c. I had done what? I had basically created one big stack. Just reduce the height of it. Oops. Okay, that is good. Okay, and I have created another array. Let's give this array. And I doing what I'm doing what I literally have when I have an operator. I am changing infix to postfix. So infix means there is operand in, and there is operator in between of two operand, and postfix is operator and before that there are operand. Okay, the thing is very simple. So for an example, let's say a plus b in infix and ab plus in postfix. So if I have one operator, so this is infix equation, you can easily figure it out. If I have one operand, I literally push it to my array. So this is my array and this is my stack. I push in it in my stack, sorry, in my array. And if I get one operator, I literally push the guy on my stack. So that is plus. So I'll push the plus in my stack. Now I have got b, so literally without any hesitation I can do it. But I got minus. So while pushing, I have seen that that minus and plus. Let's go to the associative rule and precedence. So plus and minus both have same precedence, but the associative rule is hazy. That left to right, I mean left to right, it is doing what, it is associative rule is doing what. So now I will be doing what, I literally pop plus and push the plus to my result array and literally push minus to here. And then when I have C, I will push this in my resultant array. And after when there is no, I mean the stack is full. I think when my stack is full, that time I literally pop this guy and push it in this array. Now this is my resultant array. By how I'll be validating the thing. Whew, good. So basically character, and I have infix to postfix fix, maybe like that. It will have a character of infix maybe like that. And I'll be doing what, struct stack. Let's give a name sp. Sp is a good name, okay. And I am basically creating one space on my heap, that you have already know that what is heap. In C data structure, static things are doing on stack and the dynamic things going on the heap. So how to declare a space in, create a space in heap? Do stack, like that. Oops, like that. Having a malloc. Oops, malloc. Malloc have basically a size of attribute that will basically struct of stack, like that. Maybe okay, good. Okay, now I'll be doing what, the size of sp is, let's say 10. Okay. and, and the sp top equal to -1. Okay. And sp maybe array equal to char. Okay. And malloc sp of size. Okay, sorry, just a minute. Sp of size, I have literally type it down. So okay, so what I am doing, that malloc sp of size, good, into maybe the size of attribute of the character, if that is full and that is not, maybe. Okay, good. Whew. And maybe the character of postfix equal to character attribute, and the thing will be going on a malloc function. This will do what, this basically check that the basically the I mean, this thing mm, is full or not. So I have one attribute, maybe strlen string length, maybe, I'm not sure. I can get an error. So let's try it. Strlen, maybe it is wrong. Don't don't be wrong. So infix plus 1, infix plus 1, not like that, maybe like that, infix plus 1, and into this is size of the character, maybe like that. Okay, good. Now I will have two variable. One is 0, that basically is for track the infix traversal, and int j equal to, let's give 0, and that basically track the postfix addition. I think that is very clear. Good. Now make one while loop for iterating this thing, this bro, for iterating. Okay, while uh, let's check infix of I is not equal to, maybe I have a function of like this, maybe 0 in C, maybe okay, good. So if I have a null character, I'll do what, I literally I forgot that that is a C functions or another functions. So if not is operator, okay, I will literally do infix of I, and postfix of j equal to infix of I. maybe like that. Great, great. Now increment j by 1. I mean the postfix addition, and increment the traversal of my infix. Great. Else otherwise do what? Do postfix. Oops, postfix of j, postfix of j, and do pop. And I think that is clear. No. Maybe not like that, because I want to validate another thing, because I want to check for I mean for popping. For this case I'll be checking the precedence again. So let's check. So if precedence of infix, maybe of I, if it is greater than the precedence, sorry, maybe like that, uh, cd and c precedence of the stack top of sp. I think you already have understood what I'm saying. Let's say this is my stack and this is the top of the stack. So while insertion of an element, I'll be literally what that is it. I literally check that which precedence is greater. So this is the stack top and this is the inserting element. Okay, I think that is clear for everyone. Okay, so stack top of SP. This is close. This is close. Okay, if this is I mean the thing is greater, so I little push, and push have two attribute. One is the index sp and another is the value basically, then fix of I. Good. And I will do I plus plus. Otherwise I literally do the thing that postfix, I mean the popping, okay, of j. Postfix of j basically equals to pop the resultant thing, I mean the existing thing. That is clear. And I'll be incrementing the addition of the what? Addition of the postfix by one. And this is closed, this is closed, this file loop is closed. And maybe I'll check the underflow conditions here, because doing push, and when the stack is empty, that time I will be pop the last penultimate. Okay, good. So while is, maybe this was the functions empty, maybe where is empty, yes, is empty. While is empty, just a minute, while is empty of maybe sp, I'll do what, I literally, oops, okay, I literally do postfix of j that I had, and I'll pop the, I mean the last thing, so sp, like that, and do this is permanent. And the postfix of maybe j equal to do null. Okay, do this null and then return to my literally 60 postfix. Now, okay, now create main function. I have forgot to create a main functions here. Okay, so basically I'll have a character of having infix. So take what as an example. So let's say x minus y. Oops, x minus y divided by z. Give you, I'll be taking a big example. Okay, minus k multiplication of d. Good. Maybe like that. And I'll be printf. What I'll be printing, let's say postfix is, and basically this is a string, so percentile of is, not like that, maybe yes, sorry, a minus okay, and it will be infix to to postfix having infix as an attribute. Okay, good. And I'll be returned to 0, maybe like that. Good, let's check. So for Vim, how I'll check it. So press escape. Okay, type colon W. See here W Q. Press enter. I'm outside of my terminal. Now type GCC because I am using here minjw. You can see GCC file dot c. Okay, so I have one thing that in the function is full, in the function of is full, good, that I have set it that ptr of top is equal to ptr of size minus 1, and struct has no attribute of size. What? Because just a minute, I have maybe so go to vim file.c. Okay, just a minute. Oh, sorry. Press I. That gonna be size, and that gonna be size. Maybe escape colon wq. Then to gcc file.c, and I have compiled the thing successfully. Oops. So how to compile? Basically, this will compile the thing and create a binary file. And for reading the binary file, do what? Dot slash a dot exe, because I am using minjw. So this will be a postfix equation. So how to check? So literally go to my vim file.c. Literally I had to check the thing. That is, so just a minute, and check a calculator infix to postfix calculator. Maybe if I do this thing, I can get it. This thing. Hmm. Oops. Let's say calculator. This. So I had x minus y divided by z minus k multiplication of d. If I convert, अबे यार मुझे इतना बड़ा नहीं चाहिए. Just give me the example here. Not table. Maybe infix expression. Infix to postfix. Okay, so this is my postfix equation. So you can see that x, y, z, and if I go to, let's say here, uh, escape wq, I have saved it. So that was x, y, z divided good. Now you know that these things are similar. So this program is good, and file.c, this thing is good. So I will create one git repository to, I mean, push the thing, and the code will be given to you for free. Thank you guys for watching this video. See you in the next time.